Alright, so I have a nice little setup here. We're going to be doing numerical calculations today. Alright, so I'm actually going to do a problem involving the momentum principle with two stars in space with gravity acting upon each other. So we have star 1, we have a few variables for it, mass, velocity, and the first position. And we also have star 2, we'll have the mass, velocity, and the initial position. All right. So with the information we were given, we can find multiple things. What I'm actually going to be doing today is showing how to do momentum, final position as well. So to break these down as a numerical calculation, we're going to have to find multiple different variables. For instance, if we're doing momentum, we're going to have to use the momentum formula and have to find every variable for it, except initial momentum and delta t. We already know those are given. And our F net is actually just going to be on the gravity for those. I'm not actually including that in my coding simply because I don't want to have to go through all the variables. So we do have it here, and I did hand work that out. It will go down to right here, the 4.08e to the 28th, and etc. But yeah, there's that in our coding. I'm going to have all those variables listed as well. You have the initial position of the first star, velocity of the first star, mass of the first star, and momentum can equal just, mass times velocity. Same for the second. I actually showed right here. If you wanted to, I can go ahead and print the first and second momentums just to show that. Alright, the first momentum and second momentum are shown in vector form, of course. These are going to be the initial momentums of each of the stars, not the final. However, if I wanted to comment that back out, if it'll let me. Alright, and so in this particular question, t is 1 times 10 to the 5th power, which is 100,000. So I tried different things with our dt here to see if it would print multiple results, in which case it does not, for whichever reason that is. I do not know. However, I do have it set up with all these other formulas here for second position for each star and the final momentum for each star. And when you run the program, it'll pull that up as well. You have the final position of R1, final R2, the final momentum 1, and final momentum 2. Alright, and that'll basically do it for us.